Hello everyone, welcome. In our last two lessons we've been working with the verb aimer, which is a regular ER verb in the present tense in French. Remember that you have to absolutely have these endings memorized. There's no way around it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the plural forms of aimer in the present tense. By plural forms I mean we're looking at the forms that go with the plural subject pronouns. So how would you say we like in French? Okay, I have we, which is nous, and then the root of the verb. Remember, you find the root when you take off the ER, so we have M. If you've memorized your endings, you'll remember that the ending for nous is ONS. So let's go ahead and add that on. So nous aimons, we like. How would you say you like? So this is the formal you, this is the vous. And remember, vous can be singular or plural, so we're also including it here with the plural forms. So when I use vous, I can address one person formally, or I can address more than one person. Okay, so the ending for vous is a z, so let's add that on. Vous aimez, you like. They like, ils. The ending for il is ent, ils aiment, they like. And for elles, same ending, elles aiment. So we have we like, nous aimons, you like, vous aimez, they like, ils aiment, they like, elles aiment. Be sure to associate those endings with the corresponding subject pronoun. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that together with our other vocabulary here. So again, the fun part where we put it all together. How would you say we like dogs? Well, just put it together. Nous aimons les chiens. We like cats. Nous aimons les chats. We like computers. Nous aimons les ordinateurs. We like pizza. Nous aimons la pizza. You like dogs, the formal you. Vous aimez les chiens. You like cats. Vous aimez les chats. You like computers, vous aimez les ordinateurs, and you like pizza, vous aimez la pizza. One thing that's worth mentioning about vous is addressing one person formally. It can be addressing two people formally, but remember that vous can also be addressing two or more people informally. So vous is the plural of vous, the singular vous, and vous is also the plural of tu. Okay, so they like dogs, ils aiment les chiens, they like cats, ils aiment les chats, they like computers, ils aiment les ordinateurs, and they like pizza, ils aiment la pizza. Elles, referring to a group of females only, they like dogs, elles aiment les chiens, they like cats, elles aiment les chats, they like computers, elles aiment les ordinateurs, they like pizza, elles aiment la pizza. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. If you found this useful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give me a like, perhaps share, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.